Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So I recently upgraded to the Glam Bag Plus because you are going to be getting 5 full-size items in the box versus just the sample items that you would get in the previous Ipsy Glam bag. So, and it does have a pamphlet. Now, the only thing that's kind of still a little I don't care for is even though it comes with like this nice long pamphlet of everything in the box, it doesn't tell you the price of them. So, you still don't know what you're getting, like cost-wise. But that's just, you know, just something that I noticed that I kind of wish that they would do is add the prices to it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. First thing in the box is from LXMI, Pure Nilotica Melt. This is made with a Nilotica fruit butter, and let's see here, texture starts out rich and buttery but also quickly melts right into your skin, so you can get dressed immediately after applying. Basically you use it on dry hands, feet, putting it on your lips, smooth over your elbows, knees, and extra dry spots. So, and it is organic, so it is vegan, cruelty-free, natural, so that's interesting. I'll definitely look at trying to use that. Let's see here, the next thing in the box is, now I'm not putting this on my eyes because I'm not so much of a glitter person, but this is from Smashbox Cosmetics. This is the Cover Shot Eye Palette in Bold Glitter, and this is what it looks like. All very glittery eyeshadows. The green though is pretty. I might use that green. I won't lie, I might use the green. I don't know, we'll see. But let's see here, then the next thing, which I'm actually going to be putting on, is from Morphe. This is the High Impact Highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the rules. This is in the color Extra, and it's extra hard to get into. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Just a normal everyday highlighter color. Let's see how it highlights that. That's nice. I like that highlighter. That's a good highlighter. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Alright. Let's see here. The next thing in the box is from Eyeko London. This is the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. I'm all for a black eyeliner, so this makes me happy. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. So I'm not a fan of felt tip liners. I prefer the brush tip ones whenever it comes to liquid liners, but it still did the job, so can't complain there. Let's see here. The next thing in the box is from Tarte. This is the Man Eater mascara in black. I've not tried this mascara yet, so I'm excited to see how well it works. I've heard good things about it, so hopefully it will do good. Oh, that's a big brush. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it'll focus. There we go. It's a big thick brush there. Alright, so it doesn't do a whole lot for length, but it does do well for volumizing, I guess. It does separate the lashes and coat them individually kind of good, so there is that. Let's see here. The last thing in the box is from Ciate, London, and ooh, interesting. This is the Dewy Spritz Shake to Activate setting spray. Very pretty. I don't know if you can really see how it's all pearlized in there, but we're gonna go ahead and kind of aggressive sprayer there. There's some spots of that on me. Go ahead and definitely dewy. It did leave my skin with more of a sheen to it, which is nice if you don't like a matte looking face. You have that, and you also get in the box I would consider it to be a nice size bag. It's a lot bigger than most of the ones that you get in just the regular Ipsy bags, so there is that. Good size. Yeah, that I like. I'll definitely use that. And it has a little thing here so you can use it as a purse as well. I would probably do that. But that is everything that came in my Glam Bag Plus box. I'm going to leave all the information down below because off the top of my head, I do not know what I pay for the box. I forgot what the charge was, so I'm going to put all that information down below in the description box. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel, so that way you will be able to know the next time that I upload. I again thank you for watching, and you have a great day.